What's up guys, welcome back to No Cap Invest. Today we're gonna take the show outside. I'm gonna hit it and be like, our top stories today. Coinbase now allows US users to buy crypto using PayPal. A new financial regulation proposed in Germany could allow asset managers under the Spezial Fund to allocate 20% of their portfolio into crypto. And then I'm gonna talk about how to start investing because I've been getting the question a lot from people. I have $5,000, what do I do? Where do I start? So today I'm gonna be giving a super basic how to start investing instead of stock picks. Okay. So Coinbase now allows its US customers to buy Bitcoin and other cryptos using PayPal. This is a news story because I guess this is really good for mass adoption, but however, please remember if you're gonna buy Bitcoin on PayPal, it's not real Bitcoin because you don't own your private keys. If you're gonna buy it on Coinbase using PayPal, then I think it works the same way as buying assets on Coinbase. You do get your private keys, you can withdraw your Bitcoin and all that stuff. Next news. Oh my God, it's so wet out here. A new financial regulation proposed in Germany could allow the so-called Spezial funds, which is basically the private fund managers in Germany, to allocate up to 20% of their portfolio in crypto. This proposed legislation could bring an estimated $425 billion into crypto if it were enacted and all the fund managers actually allocated 20% of their fund into crypto, which I really doubt that would happen in its entirety, but still it's a cool thing to kind of like think about. Enough news for today. Let's get into how to start investing. Okay guys, is it on? So I got the question yesterday after I sent my video to some friends. Someone asked me, I have $5,000, how do I invest it? And so this is kind of more geared to the people out there who are just barely getting into investing or have not invested at all. Anyone can invest. Anyone can become wealthy if you're just consistent and you are convicted about your investing strategy. So what I mean by that is like you have to have confidence in the long-term potential of yourself and your assets and your, okay, so what would I do if I was just starting today with $5,000? Well, I would put part of it into an ETF, like a Vanguard, like diversified ETF. What's an ETF? Exchange traded fund. It's basically buying one stock that has a bunch of stocks in it. So I would buy something like, I don't know, the Vanguard Value ETF or the Vanguard Growth ETF. Probably put like 30 to 40% of the portfolio in there. And then I would take the remaining 60% and put that into 3 to 5 really good vetted stocks that you really like. And then maybe a selection of cryptos, and then you can also get a hedge, which some people do differently. Some people use gold, some people use bonds. I personally don't like bonds, so I buy gold on a blockchain called PaxG. That's my hedge, along with some defensive stocks like Lockheed Martin, mining companies, strategic metals, and so forth. So to kind of summarize everything, open an account on a brokerage, whether that be Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, whatever. I prefer Fidelity for my stocks, but you can use whatever you want. Links are all in the description. And then diversify. Put 30 to 40 to 50% into an ETF so that when the market crashes, you're not going to go down like crazy. Put the rest into a few stocks, into a few cryptos, and find yourself a good hedge so that when things really do go south, you at least have something that's not going south. This is super oversimplified, and so if you guys watch my videos over time, you guys will be able to start finding your own stocks that you like, because you don't need to follow blindly every stock that I throw out on my channel. You can take a few of them. You can also go look at other YouTubers. For example, Let's Talk Money by Joseph Hogue is one of my favorite finance YouTube channels. He's actually a CFA, and he provides stock picks almost every day, and he does his due diligence, and you can go learn off of that.